like a site is like an organization, right?
Yeah, site will be organization.
Okay, so like if, from each individual perspective, like each one will have their own credentials and login and will be able to see all the documents. But who
Correct.
will be giving permissions to access this? Like, will the system administrator give the permission, or
Yeah.
we have to
So
customize that?
no, so site administrator and two people. There's a two roles actually. One is a site administrator, which you can see here. When I click on this right side, you see all this option is coming because of I'm a site administrator of this one. This is my site. Okay, this is a unique domain which Atlassian has created. And now this is the here I can manage the global permissions. Okay, I can add invite a user group and global permission. But site specific permission will be decided by manager. So manager will have access to site setting, space setting, sorry, and here he can add it. You can he can disable your access or add your access or something like that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So now done. So what to do? So these are the skeleton you will create. Different members will have it and kind of things, and so on. So now the most important thing in Atlassian, what you have, Confluence, what you have is features of it. Let me show you the features. So one thing which you can see here, let's say this is the feature. Now who has modified, you can of course you can see in the page history, which is somewhere here. Okay, you can see all the attachment. These all are self-explanatory, so you will understand the moment you read it. But the most important thing is macros in Confluence. Okay, macros. So what is macros? So macros is nothing but a features on Confluence which will save your time, but you can represent your content in better way. That is kind of, we call it macros. Okay, so how do we do that? So let's plan for these pages. So I'll teach you this. How do you start the planning? So now bold, italic, these are the things you know that. I don't think so. I should teach you, but I should teach you something. This one, this is the action item. So hey, what is my name? SM Galaxy, right? Let me check. I forgot. Okay, so here at the rate of, let's say I want to assign one ticket. This is work to assign to. I have so many users. No, I don't have any users. So only Rajesh is there. So assign to this. In other words, this is another work. Okay, and assign to XYZ people. Right now, I'm the only one person. So assigning myself and then publish. Now, entire Confluence, those who assign the work to you like that, you can go and see here. Where? Look at this. Under that, your login page. And here you see task. So see that I assigned two tasks in front of me, and you see that here you have assigned to me, created by me. I created here an incomplete, complete. Okay, so this is the one of the one of the benefit out of so many. So can I go to this here and Sunday and say this is the page, where's the page here, table school, and I say this completed, and this is also completed. Now if you go to the task, see here, it's gone. So it's completed. Here it's complete. It will be here. So this is the kind of small things which you see, which makes this platform very powerful. So now what to do? So I showed you one features of it, like that. Let me show you that here. You can mention someone here. You can add some emoji and all. You can create a table here, and this is the layout. So let me create a layout plan first. So how do you create a layout? So here depends on the two column, three column, what you want. And each layout, what you want depends on the content. So, so this is the content, this is the layout. And hit undo here. And you can add more content, all this thing you can do that. And after that, if you want to introduce some table, here you can decide the table, row, column, this, that, and all. And most important thing which you have is macros. What do you want? So view all, view more. What kind of macros you want? So let's say I want to see all the attachment. So the hundreds and hundreds of macros, here you have it. You have to decide what you want. So attachment, which was not seeing visible easily. So insert. Now you see that here and publish. Now if you see that here, there is no attachment here. So I'll just attach some to the page and you see that automatically it get updated. I'm updating manually. And now you see you go to the page, see automatically here got updated. So this way. Now let's say you want to go to the home page and there you want to list out the list of pages, recently updated pages. This is the recently. So you want to list out all the pages. So edit this and go for here, go for here and child page. I want to display the child page. So here children display and publish. See here. Now see all the child page got displayed. So like that, what I'm trying to say, macro is the most powerful features which we have in the Confluence, which we are using. So let me show you here what else. Let's say you want to embed the code, right? So search for code, snippet, and here, whatever you want to embed, this is a code and publish it. See that? And now you have a code version and you have some copy operations also. Let me add it, few, show you a few more here. So here, view more. Look at this here. You can display the files and images. You can mention someone here. Status, info panel, error panel. Different codes you can do. H1, H2, H3, and all. Gallery you can create here. PowerPoint you can embed in the documents. Excel you can embed. Here you lots of graph you have. Heat map graph and like that. See that here? Change history if you want to display on the pages, attachment I showed you, contributor if you want to display on the pages, okay. Space list if you want to display, chart you want to display, pie chart, task report, quick links, Jira if you have integrated the Jira you can display here all this Jira roadmap, Jira tickets and all. You can include other pages and dropouts. So lots of macros. These all macros are available, and because of that, we love Confluence. And the idea is to build the content in a fastest way for your project. So whatever you do, you create a pages and then design the pages so users should be able to find it easy and also interactive. Are you understanding all of you?
Yes, Rajesh.
Any question you have a specific question which you want me to talk about it?
Yeah, so like if multiple people are working on like a important document, how do we track changes? Like, who did what, and if somebody
Ah,
accidentally deleted some important content.
yeah, so this is done automatically. I don't have to do anything. So if you see that, if you want to track it, go to the page history and you'll get to know, see here. I started from here 15 minutes ago and I'm here. Who has modified? And you can restore back also, delete that particular version also. And there is automated versioning is happening. So this is inbuilt feature. Let's say I want to restore to the first version, which I think it was some dummy text. So restore it. Okay. And that also will be recorded. And now you see this is the page which you had a content initially. So that you can do that also. Got it?
Thank you. Yeah, yeah.
More questions? Yeah, so this is the tool which is basically the more you use it, you get it. Most important thing which I said is macro. We have a 400, 500 macros. Right now I can see little less actually. Why? Because a trial account. So if you have a little bit better one, So macros. Now, yeah, all these macros, because the list of macros are pretty huge, you'll not be able to realize in one day. So you start thinking about, okay, can I represent this data in this way or that way? And then when you search the macros, you have then you will find the right macros for it. Let's say you want to create a gallery and all. Here it is: chart, roadmap planner. You want to create a navigations page tree, table of content. Here it is anchor statement. If you know HTML, then you understand this. So all these options are available actually. Okay. Any questions, guys?
Rajesh, this is cloud-based, right? Like prior to this, what are the other documentation tools?
If you are not using Confluence, then we have a GitHub wiki also, right? Remember the GitHub wiki? Let me show
Mm.
you here. Mm, it's not enabled in this project. Let me see my project. So you have a GitHub wiki also. There you can see that. So let me see wiki here. So this also is been used. GitLab also has their own wiki. These are wiki actually. That's all. So GitLab also has a wiki. Uh, so these are the popular. I think Confluence is the most dominant player in the market because, like Confluence, you won't get any software which is having so many features and also can be installed for the enterprise and manage a huge organization, thousands of users. Okay, any more questions, guys?
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.